How to change your username in Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to change your username on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end. The first step guys is going to Snapchat, then opening it. As you see, when your snap is opening, you go here on your profile, then click, then you go here and click on settings, then we'll find the second option, username, and click. Then you will click add your username like that, and then you will change it like as you want. If you want to edit or to remove it or change username, as you see, you will just click here and change. For me, I don't want to change my username. That's it. I don't want to change it. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see